Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to add Google Maps to your WordPress website, maybe to show your business location, event venue, or office address, this video is for you. In this full 2025 step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to add Google Maps to your WordPress site in under 5 minutes. No coding required. So stick with me till the end to make your site more interactive and user-friendly. Let's get started. First, head over to wordpress.com and click on Login at the top right corner. If you already have a Google account, just click on Continue with Google. It's the fastest and easiest way to sign in. Once prompted, select the Google account that's linked to your WordPress website. It's really important to choose the right one so you don't accidentally edit the wrong site. Now that you're inside your WordPress dashboard, look for the Edit Site button, usually found in the Quick Links panel. Click it and it'll take you into the site editor where you can customize your pages using WordPress blocks. Alright, once you're inside the editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. In the search bar, type map. And from the results, select the map block. Now simply drag and drop the map block anywhere you want it to appear on your page, maybe in your context section, footer, or homepage. Next, enter your location details. This could be your business name, address, or even a landmark. WordPress will automatically generate an interactive Google map right there on your page. You can zoom in, zoom out, and adjust the map to look exactly how you want. And the best part, you don't need any technical skills or code. It's all built into WordPress. Once you're satisfied with how the map looks, click Save or Update at the top right corner of your editor. That's it. Your Google Map is now live on your WordPress website. And that's it for today's tutorial. You've just learned how to add Google Maps to your WordPress website, the easy 2025 way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more WordPress tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.